Hello there, guys. This is Sharmat Sabi. Uh, this making this video for the second test for the job at Crossover Ruby on Rails Architect, and I'll walk you through with the application. So this is the login page, and of course Ruby on Rails as a backend API, and I've used Devise as the authentication framework, the very popular authentication framework among the Ruby on Rails community. Okay, so I have my DB set up with a basic data, and I have a admin user. So let's log in with the admin user and see what we have. So the login page was a Rails view, and when I logged in, and it redirected me to a route which was taken over by the Ember.js application. Let me open up the console, and actually let's log out and let's go with the flow again. So here I'm on the login page, and I'll log in with the admin user. So here you can see that an Ember application has taken over the Rails application. So here we have the dashboard, and let's close the console so we can have a better look of the page. Here's the customer support list I have, and here I have a new cases list showing the count and closed cases, reopened cases, and archived ones. So here's the list of open cases. As this is the admin user, admins can't just close the support case. This section is for the non-admin users, that they can close the support case. So if I click on this support case, it'll take me to the show page of the support case. Let's check this out, and here you can see that we have a show page of a support case. This is the description, and this is the admin response, the sample admin response. This is the actual data, but these comments are a sample data, and here the admin can type their responses. So let's go back to the dashboard and check out the new cases list, and here are the closed cases. Here you can see the reopened cases, the cases which are reopened by the non-admin users after the cases were previously closed. And finally, this is the archive support case list. In my design, I have this that you can, for the time being now, can move back the support cases from the archive list. Once the case is archived, it can't go back to a previous state. So these are the pages for admin user, and here's another screen for admin user where the admin can see a list of all the support cases in all the states of all these statuses: archived, closed ones, the new ones, and the reopened ones, with the username being displayed right here. So pretty simple, and let's log out and log in with a non-admin user. So here I am logged in with a non-admin user. Pretty much the same dashboard, but this time the data is limited to the user I'm logged in with. the admin data was getting the data of all the non-admin users. The support case is created by all the non-admin users, but as it makes sense that non-admin user can only see his data. So here's the list of new cases which is empty at the moment. Here is the closed case list. I can reopen this one from here, and similar, just as we could see the show page of a support case, we could do that here as well. Here you can see, and I'm back on dashboard, and this is the reopen list. I can just close the reopen cases, and this is my archive cases list. And here's the support cases page where I can see all of my support cases regardless of the status, regardless of the state which they are in. And here I have a new support case button which was not shown on the admin screen, as we wouldn't like admins to create support cases. So let's first inspect the new cases list for this user. It's empty. The count is showing to be 0 and the list is empty. So let's go and create a support case. Yep, here you can see the support case is created, and we can go on the page. Here is the description that we typed in and the title here. So you can see the route. We have the ability to add new cases. So here is our new case, and as I'm the owner of this case and the non-admin user, I can close this case. So the title of this case is new case for crossover. I'll close this one, and let's see, and this case, just as we expected, can be seen in the closed support cases list. I'll then just reopen the case, and it's now seen in the reopen list, and I'll just close the case again. So this is the simple flow, and I'll just log out with this non-admin user and log back in with the admin user, and I'll go to the closed cases list, and the case we just created in this demo is listed here in the closed cases list, and I'll just archive this case. Now hopefully we can see this case. Yep, it's right here. So this is the flow. A user can't visit this page, this December application, if he is not logged in. And for the added security for API authentication, we have an authentication interceptor before filter set in the application controller. So let's just try and discard our session and see what happens now when we try to make an API call. When we try to transition to a new screen, which will subsequently call an API. So let's see what happens now. Yep, it tried to make a call, and our application detected that the user session is not there, so it logged us out and redirected us to the login screen. So if I log back in and click the links, it works as expected. Yeah, this is pretty much the demo that we have. Thanks for watching.